Heathrow Airport has been shut down for an entire day following a major electrical fire, triggering global travel disruption and leaving hundreds of thousands of passengers stranded. The unprecedented incident is already being compared to past aviation crises, such as the 9/11 airspace shutdown and the 2010 Icelandic volcanic ash cloud disaster. The fire broke out late Thursday night at an electrical substation in Hayes, less than 2 miles from the airport, causing a massive power outage. As a result, Heathrow, the UK's busiest airport, was forced to halt operations early Friday morning. With an estimated 220,000 passengers scheduled to pass through Heathrow that day, the impact is expected to continue into the weekend and beyond, as aircraft and travelers are now scattered across the globe. At least 1,357 flights have already been cancelled, delayed, or diverted. While some planes managed to land at alternative UK airports, many, including Gatwick, have now reached capacity. Dozens of flights have been redirected to major European hubs such as Amsterdam, Frankfurt, and Lyon, stranding thousands of passengers. Some aircraft were forced to return to their departure cities, including New York, Los Angeles, Mumbai, and Delhi. In response to the chaos, Air India has suspended all flights to London. Among the airlines most affected are British Airways, Virgin Atlantic, American Airlines, United Airlines, Air Canada, and Delta. This is the most significant disruption to UK air travel since the 2010 volcanic eruption, which led to flight cancellations costing the airline industry an estimated £130 million per day. The decision to shut down Heathrow due to the failure of a single electrical substation has raised serious concerns about the airport's contingency planning. While Heathrow officials insist that backup power systems exist, they admit that activating them for the entire airport takes time. Aviation experts have criticized the lack of a fully independent emergency power supply, questioning how one of the world's busiest airports remains reliant on the national grid. Beyond the airport, the fire has caused power outages for over 16,000 homes in West London and halted all train services to Heathrow. The fire itself broke out around 11:30 p.m. on Thursday, and although emergency crews worked through the night to contain it, part of the affected transformer was still burning as of Friday morning. Authorities have declared the situation a major incident, and police are now investigating the cause of the blaze. A Heathrow spokesperson confirmed the closure, stating, "Due to a fire at an electrical substation supplying the airport, Heathrow is experiencing a significant power outage. To maintain the safety of our passengers and colleagues, Heathrow will be closed until 23:59 on 21st March. Passengers are advised not to travel to the airport." Meanwhile, thousands of passengers worldwide are struggling to find alternative travel options. One British Sea